Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, the operation Close the Shop Now continues all over the country. Do the same in your area. Hlanganani nenze lento yenzeke, valani lezo tolo abahambe. Emini bebade ine broad daylight abanye abantu abadlali kuma communities abo abanasikhathi sokudlala bathi nje labantu abahambi and vela ke umuntu ongaforced ukuthi stay with people who don't want to stay with. There's no leader in this world who has the power to force people to stay with people they don't want to stay with. Not even a president has the power to do that. So nje i-community is allowed ukuthi isho ukuthi ngifuna ukuhlala nobani, angifuna ukuhlala nobani. Even if you are a leader, you don't have a right to integrate foreigners to a community without ukukhulumisana nabo. Leyo nenzo ilo government asiyazi ukuthi they refuse to build refugee camps for these people. Now they are forcing them on us. Even those who are living on the streets, they are busy forcing them to go back to the community. Which community? The same community who is telling them that we don't want you here. They must take them to their own areas.
Take your things and go. Don't fucking use your phone on us. Take your things and go. Yeah, don't fucking shoot us. Provoking us. If you are provoking us, just fucking take your stop and fuck that. Take your stop. When? What do you think? I come Hey.
In every community, there's Chuck Norris there. Even this police is confused. Kumele kube no Chuck Norris in each and every community in South Africa ukuze sizokwazi ukuklina kahle ikhanda.
Hey, go. We're not gonna let you close this fucking shop of yours, man. Make it fast, man. Why are you slow? No, open. Open, go. Close. Here we go.
Asilani nani la. Siwatsaduza thina. Hambani. Hambani. Right. Encane nophelela. Impuphi yaphuma. Right.
Amakhimba
yaphuma. Ama-snacks abolile yaphuma.
Right. Aslayishe. Baba.
Please respect this guy.
Bulala.
He's a leader, this guy. He's going to enter inside.
For two people. Open.
There's no police that's going to follow. We as leaders, we want to protect you. Just open this
Hey,
way.
Vulala, who wants to keep next la Vulala?
This guy, Mama, is gonna come and assist you there inside.
Phone Ramaphosa, we want to protect you.
Kuthiwa uRamaphosa ngeke aze akwazi ukuprotecta. Ubakhiyeleke lona uzivalele ngaphakathi akafuni ukuvula. Angazi ukuthi uthembeni because ngeke phela afele lapha phakathi. And who is going to buy if the gates are locked like this? Uthi ngeke aze avule, he will wait for the police to come first and his own brother who is the owner of the shop. He will not open the gates until his brother arrives. Angeke ezevule nje umnyango uzoma nje laphayana kanjena until kufike labo bantu abalindile. And asazi ukuthi omastende bazothini ngoba eminye imiphakathi ayidlali ithi if umuntu wakhe engafuna ukuhamba sizodila nawe as i-landlord, sizodila nawe as the owner of the house. Asazi ngempela ukuthi kuzothiwani. And this stubborn South Africans abangafuni ukuthi baphume ezindlini zabo ababona ukuthi akusadlalwa njengamanje uzoze ufake umuzi wakho enkingeni ngokuba stubborn. Yazi I was so surprised to hear ukuthi labantu base South Africa barentisela abantu ama-spaza shops, ama-container emzini yabo abafuni bona ukutake over these shops. Even sebetshelwa ukuthi apply for e-funding and then continue with this shop abafuni. All they want is for these people to work in their premises, then they collect rent. I don't understand ukuthi kungani benza kanjalo. Ebe lama-Pakistan enza ama-millions out of this shop emzini wakhe. Yena ufuna ukucollecta only 3,000 rands, 4,000 rands a month. Hey, siyathanda ukuyihlaza kodwa nathi. Guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.